Is your business drowning in a sea of untracked hours, leading to payroll nightmares and project budget blowouts? I'm about to show you how Clockify, a free and powerful time tracking tool, can transform your workforce management. First, create your free Clockify workspace and invite your team members. Assign each employee specific roles and permissions to control what they can see and do within the system. Next, set up your projects and tasks. Categorize your work to understand where your team spends the most time. Encourage employees to accurately log their hours on each task. They can start and stop timers, or manually enter time blocks. Clockify's reporting features are your key to insightful data. Generate detailed reports to see exactly how much time is spent on each project and by which employee. This is vital for accurate client billing and project cost analysis. To streamline payroll, integrate Clockify with your favorite payroll software or export time data in various formats. Ensuring accurate and efficient payroll processing. Clockify also helps in monitoring employee attendance and identifying potential bottlenecks in workflow. Implement these strategies, and you'll not only ensure accurate payroll and project costing, but also enhance your overall workforce efficiency. Start using Clockify today and watch your business thrive. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips.